In this video, I'll show you how to add music in Canva video. So let's see how we can add music in our Canva video. First, I am inserting a video here. Just click here, elements and footage, nature. So these are the videos about nature. So let's see. I want to add this video in my canvas. Adjust the video here. Okay, and now I want to add a music with the video. So you will see add audio option here. Click it and you will see a lot of library music available here, and based on your video footage you can search nature. So you will find a couple of music for your video here, and these all are free. Let's play it. Let's play another one. Let's play this. Play this. I found this one is more adjustable with my video, so click here and now place the music with your video footage. Now play it. So this is pretty simple. You can add this way music with your video footage. Now you can download it. Just click the share button and click the download and select the file as a mp4 video, and now click the download button to download your video. So this way you can add music in Canva video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below. I will read and reply your comment.